Want to make money online while lying in bed, watching Netflix, or even while you sleep? This isn't a get-rich-quick scam. It's real, lazy-proof income you can start building today. Let me show you how. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Cindy Cams, and I help you discover real, legit, and beginner-friendly ways to earn money online. In today's video, I'll reveal the laziest ways to make passive or semi-passive income online in 2025, all without needing to show your face, quit your job, or hustle 24/7. So make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and stay till the end, where I'll share the ultimate laziest method that runs almost on autopilot. I'll be making a step-by-step video for each of these methods, so make sure to like this video and turn on notifications so you don't miss them next week. Comment below which method you want me to cover first. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. These are real methods that can work with consistency and patience. No guarantees of income. Results will vary depending on your effort and strategy. Let's start with print on demand using free AI tools, sites like Redbubble, Etsy, and Teespring. These sites let you sell custom shirts, mugs, journals, and more, with no inventory or shipping needed. Use AI tools like Canva or Leonardo AI to create fun or inspirational designs. Upload, set your price, and you're done. Perfect for the lazy marketer who wants to earn in their sleep. Lazy level, 9 out of 10. I'll make a full video showing you how to create your first pod product from scratch, so hit that subscribe button. Next is my favorite, Faceless YouTube channels. You can create cash-generating content without ever showing your face or speaking. AI voiceovers, free stock footage, and simple editing tools like CapCut or InVideo make this possible. Think channels that share quotes, relaxing sounds, Bible verses, or fun facts. Lazy level, 8.5 out of 10. Want to learn how to start one from scratch? Don't worry, I'm dropping a tutorial soon. 3. Sell digital products on Gumroad or PayHip. Digital products are the ultimate lazy income. Make a template, checklist, or ebook once and sell it forever. Use ChatGPT to write your content, then design it with Canva. Upload to Gumroad, PayHip, or Etsy and start making sales. Lazy level, 9 out of 10. Yes, I'll be doing a beginner-friendly walkthrough for this too. Next up is TikTok affiliate marketing, Faceless. What if I told you lazy TikTok scrolling could actually make you money? TikTok affiliate marketing is booming, and you can do it anonymously. Use viral-style videos with trending sounds and promote affiliate links in your bio. Tools like Pexels, CapCut, and Canva make this super easy. Lazy level, 9 out of 10. I'll be showing you how to set up a faceless TikTok account that earns in my next videos. And finally, the ultimate lazy method. Set up a freebie funnel using a chatbot. Use ChatGPT to create a free lead magnet like an ebook or checklist. Collect emails with ConvertKit. Let an AI chatbot follow up automatically with affiliate offers or digital products. It works even while you sleep. No cold messaging or selling required. Lazy level, 10 out of 10. Yes, a full tutorial on this is coming soon, so turn on that bell icon. So there you have it. 5 of the laziest ways to make money online in 2025. Whether you want to sell with zero inventory, post faceless content, or automate everything with AI, there's something here for you. And remember, I'll be releasing full beginner-friendly videos for each of these methods, so make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, comment below, which one you want first. Let's make lazy money in 2025 the smart way. See you in the next one. God bless.